So not too long ago, I built the complete Haunted Mansion ride from Disneyland in Lego and added lights to it. I have all the effects in the working ride. You can see that whole video. But it was time for one more update, one different version of it. And that is, of course, the Nightmare Before Christmas version, the Haunted Mansion Holiday. So I got to work building all the different parts to it, switching things out. And now we have that version of the ride to show. So here it is. Obviously, a lot of this still will look the same as the original Haunted Mansion ride, but on the outside here you can see all those different details, from the details around the line, waiting queue, and the building, and of course the ride. I've swapped out a lot of things too. Here it is, lights on. At the entrance, you have Jack Skellington holding the snowflake, sitting on top of the pumpkin. There's all these other details, candles, skulls around the mansion. There's the Santa Claus scarecrow with the pumpkin head. The sleigh on top of the house. And the whole ride with the Nightmare Before Christmas edition. After the stretching room, the line takes you to the loading area, which is mostly the same as the original, but has an additional design with that moon and the face on it right as you're getting onto the ride. Then at the endless hallway, Zero's back there, and there's the pile of dog bones. There's the jack-o'-lantern head. Then the conservatory, and at the hallway, there's the wreath with the teeth and the vines going along the walls. Then in the room with Madame Leota, instead of the instruments floating around, there's all the different cards with the different characters. There's a bit of additional details in the ballroom. There's the snow and pumpkins near the coffin at the entrance, and a big gingerbread house on the table, and then a different kind of Christmas tree. Then in the attic, there's all the different piles of presents. And lots more details around the graveyard. First, there's Jack Skellington again with Zero, and he's in the Santa outfit. Lots of snow and pumpkins throughout. Jack-o'-lantern heads. And aside from that, a lot of the detail is the same. So there's a quick walkthrough of all the ride scenes. And of course, here's the functioning ride moving throughout. And that is my whole LEGO creation for the Haunted Mansion Holiday, the Nightmare Before Christmas version of the Haunted Mansion ride at Disneyland. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to check out other rides I've built in LEGO and subscribe so that you don't miss more. Thanks.